What's up guys, and look what we have here in the studio, the Huawei Nova 3. This phone shares a lot of features with the flagship Huawei P20 family. You're getting the same chipset and some other cool features at a $200 cheaper price, which is amazing. And this might actually be a P20 killer in my opinion. So let's just get right into the unboxing of this phone. We have this white box with this Gradient Nova 3 text. On the side, and my box looks a little rough because it is the review unit, but obviously when you're gonna buy it you will get it in that fancy stickers and everything. So let's take this out, and here we have the Huawei Nova 3. Wow, look at this beautiful phone. It is a large phone with a 6.3-inch display. This thing is almost similar to the Huawei P20 Pro in terms of size, but it is definitely slimmer, just have slightly smaller battery coming at 3700 mAh. So let's quickly take a look at the box content. So first up is the silicone case, which we always get with Huawei phones, which is nice. Then we have the Huawei Quick Charge, Huawei earpods, and a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone. So this is everything in the box. All right, let's get the plastic off of this beautiful phone. This is in black color. Yeah, it looks like black. And we also have this sticker up front, so taking it off slowly. And so on the back side we have the fingerprint scanner, and there is a vertical dual camera that comes at a 16 plus 24 megapixel combination. This is an AI camera, so things will be enhanced when you turn on AI, and of course it is having an f1.8 aperture. And just like the flagship Huawei P20 family, we do have the Huawei logo as well as some text. This is not the Leica camera, so you're not getting the same exact camera as the flagship phones, but still they do have very similar text and, overall design language. Now with this phone, you're actually getting a headphone jack, something that is totally missing with the flagship family. So whether you get the P20 or P20 Pro, you're not gonna get the headphone jack. So this phone is retaining that power and volume keys on the side and nothing on the left. The power button actually has this nice texture to it, so it's gonna feel a little bit better. Now, one of the greatest things about this phone is that it's having the same internal specification as the Huawei P20 family. So you're getting the Kirin 970 chipset, and of course the same Huawei software as the flagship Huawei P20 family. Now, when you look at the displays, obviously this is a P20 Pro model, so you do have the AMOLED display here, which is a little bit better. But the P20 has the LCD display technology, and it looks very similar to this one. Like, I can't really tell the difference that much. It is a 1080p display, so you are getting that high quality look. Again, in my eyes, both phones are looking super high quality with the display. So nearly the same display, but a little bit different design. This one has a little bit bigger notch, but it has a smaller chin. So it's an equal situation, I would say. And also with the notch on the Huawei P20 family, you are getting a stereo speaker system, which is absent on this one. So I just have a single speaker at the bottom. Apart from that, it is very similar to the flagship phone with the same look and feel. And of course, like I said, same processor, so you should expect the same performance as well. Now you might be thinking a lot of features are same, then what is that price difference factor? And that factor is with the camera. So you're not getting the same camera with the Nova 3, but it is having a pretty good camera sensor. At f1.8 aperture, you're getting 16 plus 24 megapixel camera resolution. I took some photos outside in indoor, outdoor, as well as in some night condition. It is a decent camera. It does have AI, and if you look at the camera UI side by side, I would say not as feature packed as the Huawei P20 family. You have that killer night mode on the P20 family that is basically the game changer when you're taking photos at night. But yeah, you don't get that on this one, but the rest of the stuff is pretty similar. Now, one thing where this phone does excel is with the front camera. So you're actually getting two cameras with the Huawei Nova 3, a 24 megapixel sensor with a secondary 2 megapixel sensor for that depth sensing. So you're gonna get that depth sensing, or you can say the portrait selfies. Far, it does a decent job with the selfies. So overall, I would say the Nova 3 is a P20 killer indeed. Same specification, same design language, and almost the same design as well, just a little bit smaller battery and not the same camera, and you're getting a $200 cheaper price than their flagship phone. So a lot of people would like to spend less, get the same features for $500 instead of spending all the way $700 something, which is for the Huawei P20 family. So yeah, that's a full look at the Nova 3. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.